You kiss the way you rock. I love the way we're breathless with the wild. I love the way you call me little child. And I will never let you go. You love the way I touch your skin with mine. We're in the skies, I can't get much more higher. You love the dreams we have since we were wild. And I will never let you go.
Thank you. Hi. How are you doing?
How are you today, madam?
I'm good, good. How's it going?
May I request your boarding pass? Thank you so much. Miss Balui, just give me some time, ma'am. Allow me to just input your information. Yeah?
Okay.
Muhammad Al-Mahdi. Traveling to LAX, Los Angeles.
She will start from now. So where is the HELOO?
Miss Balui, thank you for your patience, ma'am. Your boarding, by the way, will start at 7.
Yeah.
And gate is expected to be at C13, approximately 7 to 10 minutes walk from here.
Okay.
We don't make announcement inside the lounge, but our local time is 6:34 in the morning, ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah?
cool.
My
So,
name is May, by the way. If you needed further assistance, you can approach me or any of my colleagues inside.
do you by any chance have sanitary towels?
Sanitary
Pads.
Sanitary pads. I believe so. We don't have, ma'am, but we have like the nearest pharmacy down near
Okay.
the big yellow bear. Let me just double check. Calling showers. Can you cross check? Calling showers. Can you please call me 105950? Female showers. Hello, I'm speaking. Sorry, I need the ladies verse. Calling female airside shower. Reception 105 Hello, Mr. King. Movie. Just for a moment, ma'am, we're checking.
Okay.
Oh.
The customer already paid.
So that time of the month, and I needed morning.
Looking for shower facility.
Yeah.
Walk this wooden way on the right hand side.
Okay, so I go from here and then to the. Okay. Yeah. Need sanitary towels, and they are sorting me out, basically. Being a girl, it's nice. So basically, I need to look for the showers now. Also, guys, this mask keep falling. I'm so tired of adjusting it. This is too much. Coffee time is much too much. Crazy is a lot. But yeah. So Are these showers and toilets? Hello.
Morning.
How are you?
I have a shower or a washroom.
Showers. So I have asked for sanitary towels. Thank you so much.
For the shower now is not available. You need
Yeah.
to wait just a few minutes. How many minutes, sister?
I love the way you kiss the way you ride. I love the way we breathe just with a while. I love the way you call me little child. I will never let you go.
Where are they? Like which side is it?
That is air, like a blue resort.
Yeah.
Just opposite, right?
Yeah.
The blue chair, that is called blue resort.
Okay.
And the mid level is
Okay.
not going
Ah. Yeah. Actually, let me just check it out. Okay, so Qatar Airways actually has like game rooms. I don't know what happens here, or what people do basically. I actually don't care about games, guys. So let's not waste time. Hi, good morning. Do you guys have fruits on the side?
Sorry?
Do you guys have fruits on the side? Fruits.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
You make sandwiches here, no? And you can have, there is some fruits that you can have. Good morning, welcome.
Morning, thank you. So,
I love the way you kiss the way you ride. I love the way we breath just with a while. I love the way you call me little child. And I will never let you go. You love the way I touch your skin with mine. We're in the sky, I can't get much more higher. You love the dream.
let's see.
Chicken, roast beef.
Do you have like, what's this, veggie options?
Veg. We have falafel,
Falafel,
veg,
yeah.
and also have a vegetarian, just one vegetable.
Okay, let's have the falafel one.
Falafel.
Yeah.
So, anything for you to drink?
I have cappuccino.
Cappuccino?
Yeah. Please make it a bit like double. Thank you. Hey. Thank you so much.
You kiss the way you run. I love the way we're breathless with the wine. I love the way you call me little child. I will never let you go.
That was quick. That was really quick. Thank you so much. Okay, so we have breakfast and it's falafel and tortilla bread. This actually just reminds me that I'm in the Middle East because this guy makes the best falafel. And I only have like how much? It's no longer 10 minutes. I actually have like 6 minutes before boarding the next flight, so I have to like be quick in my eating. And
We're in the skies, I can't get much more higher. You'll love the dream we have since we were wild. Now we'll never let you go.
so we touched down in Munich, guys. My last connection. I'm basically now headed to Lufthansa. My flight is at, I forgot what time. But yeah, we have just touched down and we are almost there. We're almost in Vienna. Excited. Okay guys, so right now I am in Munich. So Munich it is, and I have to wait for, is it an hour? Yeah, I have to wait for an hour, waiting for a shuttle to a different terminal, where I will be able to connect from my flat. So now, okay, I actually didn't mention I was flying Qatar Airways, and now the connecting flight from Munich to Vienna is what's this? It's Lufthansa or Lufthansa, whatever you wanna call it. It makes sense because Qatar Airways actually partnered with Lufthansa for this specific flight, and I'm literally sitting here all on my own. I think there's gonna be a shuttle that comes through to pick everyone up. So yeah.